Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? What's going on this time? The Dogecoin condition is very good because whether all cryptocurrencies were very badly paid down. But in last 24 hours, I can't expect this from Dogecoin to they will pumps up, but absolutely as you can see here, they will change occurring in positive. Definitely, my friends, when a holder are starting holding, when a holder are starting buying, then remember to every coin will pumps up. So in this video, I will predicate this video, this coin, and absolutely I will tell you, my friend, to the huge pump is coming soon or the huge dump is coming soon. This is very important for any holder, my friends, to know about this. To in upcoming time, the huge pump is coming soon or the huge dump is coming soon. So now, my friends, for this we will need, my friends, to check out this all video now. So please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friends, every stick channel, one of the unique YouTube channel, today will guide you, update you, and give you the secret information of any coin. And absolutely, you understand this. So I hope you will earn a lot of money from crypto. So kindly subscribe it. My brother, first of all, as you can see here, this time 1.89%. The price is increased just only in last 24 hours, and everybody knows this too. When a coin will starting moving upward, definitely that's all credit goes, my friends, to holders and the team of Dogecoin. The team of Dogecoin is doing very hard work, and previous days, my friend, everybody know this too. Dogecoin will take a very huge jump, and I like it. I can't expect this, but absolutely, my friend, Dogecoin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. As you can see here, 0.26 USD dollar they will hit now. And one day I remember my brothers, they will hit now 0.7 USD dollar. They are already hit it, and I hope in upcoming days also they will hit now 1 USD dollar. So the CEO of Dogecoin, my friend, personally tweeted this now. To in upcoming time, we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So I'm 100% sure, my friends, in upcoming time, if they will collaborate with the companies, so I hope to the price will pumps up. So my prediction is 100% going positive. In the last 10 days of every month, every coin will move upward. So therefore, I hope, my friends, to Dogecoin will also give you a profit. Let's see, my friends, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.